Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be just kind of a quick update video because we really haven't filmed very much. I'm going to show you guys kind of what's been done on the go-kart and what's been done on the Supra. This video is going to have a cool edit that I made not too long ago. My dad and I drove out to a local beach and I made a little edit of our cars together. So guys will get to see that. There will also be some POV driving in the Supra in this video. So it's just kind of random, a bunch of random little stuff, but we just hit 900 subscribers today. Thank you guys so much. And I just want to say thank you all so much for the support recently on the channel. My views lately and watch time has been insane. And it really means a lot because it's just awesome knowing that there's people out there watching the videos, enjoying them. And it really means a lot. So thank you so much for all the support lately. We're really close to 1,000. We're only 100 subscribers away from that, which is insane. First off, let's get into this edit. I'll show you guys. And then I'll come back in here and I'll kind of show you what's going on with the go-kart in the car. So hope you guys enjoy. So, as for the Supra, as you can see we have the other molding up here on. We also have one of the rocker moldings on, which I'll get into how that was made. We actually have the other one right here. We took the old one, which is completely, we already threw that out, because it was completely rusted so bad it was only being held together with the paint. But someone we know helped us make them. We put them, they were put into a metal brake, which is kind of like a long, it was a really long metal brake, but it's just kind of like a long, like a tool that you can use to bend metal. And we had these ones made and they actually came out really good. I haven't seen them on the car very much because we just put them on. I really didn't film very much of that. I did film putting the new parking brake in this thing. That was fun. We had some complications with that. Spent like 2 hours doing one of them one day, because it's a little bit weird. But yeah, we've got one of the rockers on. This one's not on yet. What we're doing is we put some like stuff in here to make sure it doesn't rub on the paint. But yeah, they came out really good. They look really nice. Super happy with it, and it really does complete the look of the car. So super happy with how that turned out. As for the go-kart, as you can see, there's a new radiator fan on here, and there's a little bit more too. So we have a new radiator fan installed. This is to make sure the temps stay down. We've also got a little plate up here just to protect the front of the radiator from any damages. Really not too much has been changed with this thing. We do have this on because we're going to make some sort of new pieces that connect from here to here, just to kind of hold, not necessarily hold everything in together better, but just to kind of give it a little bit more rigidity. And we're also going to use this to help make a clutch cover, or clutch guard, because we still need to make one of those. I really want to drive this thing so bad, but it's been so wet here that I really don't want to take this thing out and get it super muddy. Probably not going to get driven for a little while. We're also thinking about possibly moving the shocks forward, kind of moving the bottom of it down a little bit so the exhaust has more clearance, because right now it's just hitting on everything. But that's pretty much it with these two things. Not really a whole lot has been going on. I've been super busy with school lately, but just wanted to make a quick little update video for you guys, especially since we just hit 900 subs, and I don't want to leave you guys hanging like 2 weeks without a video. I don't know if I'll have one up next week or not. We'll see. But yeah, with that said, I guess I'll show you guys us doing the parking brake, and then we'll get into a little bit of POV driving, and maybe I'll show you some video of the go-kart it was running the other day. Just showing you like the radiator fan working, because that's what I wanted to, that's what I filmed yesterday. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. So, making more room in the garage. Probably gonna fire this thing up and do something with it here in a second. It's gonna be dry the next couple days, so maybe we'll be able to take this thing out and do some more testing with it. We have a radiator fan installed. I'm actually gonna go over a lot of things that have been done to this. I've been extremely busy with school, so. Currently trying to get it up to temp right now just to see if the temperature sensor's working so the fan kicks on. Right now we're currently jacking up the car and we're going to replace the rear parking brake shoes. So my parking brake actually works because right now it doesn't, so. These are the new ones. These actually have stuff on them. Those ones do not.
How do I get behind this thing to release it?
Not gonna work like that.
transfer that pin too. Should have safety glasses.
Alright guys, hopefully this is going to work correctly this time. I'm gonna go cruise around with my dad. That car makes like 500 horse, so it's way faster than this. Go down to like the Parkway, which is an area that's like a mini highway. I'm not going yet. I can't hear my car over his. Car is literally so much louder than mine that I cannot hear my own. It's kind of funny. I got the gimbal. We might go find an area and maybe I'll get a quick video because I've been bored out of my mind. It's either I've been bored or I've been doing way too much schoolwork, so it's like maybe I'll get some video, maybe I can edit that, take my mind off of schoolwork and all that. So, oh, it's a 55 up here, sweet. Everyone's going for walks because there's literally like nothing to do. Car feels great though. I love it. Handles really good. I mean, I really haven't gotten to take it on like we're gonna take it to Watkins Glen at some point. Whenever Watkins Glen opens up and they do the fun run eventually. I don't know when that's gonna be. Ooh, I don't like that sound. Oh, I'm getting hit with crap from the field. See, that's why I didn't wash it. I'm gonna wash this today, but I didn't want to wash it before I drove it. Forgot, there's like a weird middle thing right here. This car is ridiculously loud. Grip. Yeah, we're only doing 35, but it's still fun. We're on an embankment. We're having fun. doing 35 miles an hour. That's what it's all about. Slow car power right there. Having a little fun. Gotta have a little bit of fun sometimes. There's no way it takes 9 seconds to 0 to 60 this car.
I don't see how that's accurate.
Thank you all so much for watching. I know this video is a little bit weird, a little bit different, just because I really haven't filmed very much lately in the past few weeks. But there definitely will be more to come. I'm just waiting for the weather to get nicer. The temps are nice, but it's way too wet. Can't do anything with the go-kart. Of course, all the car stuff's canceled because, well, you know why. So I really haven't been able to do much with my car other than take it on back roads and have fun like you guys just saw. So, thank you all so much for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. And share it with your friends if you like. Let's try to get to 1,000 subs pretty soon. That'd be super freaking awesome. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I don't know if I'll post a video next week, but I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week.